you're looking at what used to be a house. That is the roof, the brick chimney, and behind all these trees back here is about 4 or 5 more houses. There's a small neighborhood back there. And that road we were on earlier today is now completely flooded. The couple that lives there drives that little blue Saturn. They declined an interview, but either way, this whole section just off of Interstate 65 is pretty much done for. We climbed over that fence earlier. That fence is now pretty much submerged.